Amazing profit. Once again, we have a profit once again. Beautiful, very close. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry, your YouTube channel. This is the Trading School and this is your host and coach for today. Let's get started with another beautiful day and let's go and make some money. Alright, let's do the usual. Let's change to candles. We will enable the timer, set up with super. Let's go with MACD today, super trend. Let's edit the super trend. ATR period will be 12. Okay. Styles, let's just save it. Okay. Zigzag, we're going with zigzag also as an indicator. Okay, let's change the color to orange. 2 points, save. MACD, we will go with the fast period of 5, slow period of 15. Styles will be, let's go with blue, 2 points. So it's a little better for us to just identify what's happening with the market. 1 point I don't prefer, 2 point is better because then you can see it much more clearly. Okay, we have all the setup. We are at CHF NOK. Let's see if there is an entry that we can observe. Let's set the bet amount to 75 and let's enter into a buy. Good entry. Alright, so we are opening a long option because according to the super trend and zigzag, we have an uptrend. And the MACD is also giving us an indicator which is signaling for growth. And the option is up. So this is the first trade of the day. We are trading with CHF NOK. We have entered into a buy position. The market is looking beautiful. We are already making money, to be honest. We are already up by $144. The investment amount is $75. Alright, let's just be patient and let's have a look what happens. Super trend is actually really interesting to use. It's an indicator that helps you identify the trends in the market. So this is something that you should always remember to use. Alright, just a few seconds and let's identify what's happening. Feeling pretty confident about this one. Is the first trade of our day and I'm sure the day is beautiful and everything is on our side. With me and with Pocket Options Trust, we are going to escape our 9 to 5s. Good entry, good exit, $144 on the first trade. Beautiful CHF NOK, beautiful trade. And as I said, we're not here to make money, we're here to make wealth. Alright, looks good. Let's have a look at the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Let's see if we can identify to find a trade. The market is looking down. Seems like there is a possibility to enter into a option. Okay, let's set the bet amount to $144 and let's enter into a selling position. Good entry. So seems like we're in a downward trend. The zigzag, super trend and oscillators are all in the favor of a downtrend. And it is continuing to go down. So we are entering onto a trend continuation. That's what we can observe here. And from the lower accumulation of the boundary, that's what we are doing. So with an investment of $144, we will be taking out $276.48. Okay, we are at break even right now, not low. Come on. With our trading school, you need to believe that our experience is so good because I have many years of trading experience. Good signals, good theory is all that you need. Come on, let's go. Second trade of the day. Let's make it beautiful. Okay, let's go. Just a few seconds. Right now we're break even. Market is a little slow because you can see the MACD is suggesting that the market is sideways. Oh, very close, very close. We booked the profit in the second trade also. Super close. Dangerous, but close. Really good. Don't forget, there is a link in the description to the Telegram channel to join the community, to join me on this journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this, to stay on this journey to make money. That's what we're doing together. Okay, let's have a look at the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc, CAD against the CHF. Let's set the bet amount to, let's go with 276. Let's go with 276. Let's enter into a buy. Good entry. So the reason we're entering into this is because there is a bounce. We're entering on a bounce. We are expecting further growth to the resistance line, which is at 0.62872. So overall, both the indicators are in favor of growth, and that is what we are doing here. Already, we're in profit. $276 is going to give us back $529.92. Beautiful. All right, let's go. We're actually going all in with our deposit. As I said, there is a bounce back that we can see. The indicators are supporting a bounce, and that is what we're observing right now. Good trade, seems like third trade of the day, and good profit. I am 100% confident because of pocket option and because of my experience. All right, just a few seconds. Let's give it a few seconds. Beautiful. Third trade of the day, profitable again. As I said, balance is up to 530.40. Really beautiful day today. 3 trades back to back. It's a hat trick. Hat trick. Beautiful. Let's see BHD against the CNY. Let's see. All right, let's set the bet amount to, let's go with 350. Oh, let's go with 530. Let's go with 530. Yes. Let's enter into a buy position. Good entry. So over here we're expecting a breakdown of the super trend line. That's what we're observing over here. The zigzag and MACD have already given signals for growth. It has started, and we see that on large volumes we are going with the accumulation. So we go for growth because all the indicators, the MACD particularly, is telling us that there is growth, and with an investment of 530 we will be taking out 1017.60. Looks good so far. Everything is positive, looking really good. Good entry we got, and we're already in profit. Really good. All right, let's have a look. Let's see what happens. Just a few seconds. Beautiful candle. Beautiful candle. It is forming to go up on the rise. That is what I mean when I say there is a bounce. That is what I mean when I say that the indicators are supporting us really well. All right. Beautiful. Amazing profit once again. Balance is now up to $1,018. Good high balance to make more money. Today we are going risky, but we are going safe and profitable. Okay, let's have a look at the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Let's set the bet amount to $1,000 and let's go into a buy. Market is sideways. Seems like there will be a breakout to go upwards, and that's what we're observing, and that's what we're doing. Let's create a horizontal. Let's create a trend line actually, just to see the trend. The trend line will go right here until here. Good entry. So we're opening an option to the upside. That's what I said. Super trend and zigzag for the growth, and also we're going to draw a slope that I already drew. As we can see, the price has now just bounced upwards from it, and as before, it is leading to good growth. And an investment of $1,000 is going to give us $1,920. Just a few seconds, we are profitable already, and the trade will be closed. We have, this is our, let's go, 1 2 3 4, it's the 5th trade of the day, and it is looking profitable and beautiful. 5 trade back to back profit. Once again we have a profit. Once again, actually not once again, 4 times back to back. 5th trade again profitable. Now balance is up to $1,938. This is what we teach you to do, and this is why we trust pocket option, because of full trust, transparency, and real-time movement of the price action. Let's go with Australian dollar with the Canadian dollar. Let's set the bet amount to $1,600, and let's see. Let's enter. 1 second. Let's enter into a buy. All right, good entry. Really good entry we got. So we see that it's very strong, good growth movement. All instruments are in favor of a long setup. We are confidently passing the resistance zone, which is at 1.03800, and attention to the left. You can see over there. All right, let's see. Currently we're at breakout. Let's go a little higher. Come on, don't let me down. It's the last trade. We're going all in. Let's go. Come on. Just a few seconds. Come on, don't let us down. I mean, you just have to be patient. Trading is a game of patience. It is a game not of emotions but of patience. You don't have to be emotional if you're losing, because with us you're going to get it all back. We will cut down our losses and make profit like never before. All right, balance is now up to, let's see, investment of $1,600 is going to give us $3,040 in return. It's incredible. Beautiful. Very close. Beautiful profit. Balance is now up to $3,378. This is what we teach you to do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to put a like on the video. Click on the subscribe button to stay with me on this journey to make money, escape your 9 to 5, and achieve financial freedom. Take care, guys.